Hello everyone. On the behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology and the Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on Gherkin processing under capacity building activity of PMFME scheme. Gherkins belong to the family Cucurbitaceae and genus Cucumis, just like cucumbers. Known as Cucumis anguria, gherkins have a great popularity across the world as fermented pickles. Gherkins add a lot of health and nutritional value to our diet. There are two types of gherkins, namely smooth and spiny. Fruits are graded based on the count per kilogram weight and diameter and volume rather than length. Gherkin cultivation in India is totally export oriented with almost nil local demand. Gherkins are ready for harvest in 30 to 35 days after flowering. The stage of maturity decides the product's grade, so to maintain it, harvesting must be done every day. Only tender, immature fruits are highly suited for processing. The harvested fruits are received at the processing center. The fruits are conveyed into the processing area through belt conveyor. Mechanical sorting followed by mechanical grading based on size. Gherkins are inspected manually on a conveyor belt to sort out crooked, bent and spoiled fruits and foreign materials. The fruits are washed and manually graded. In clean bottles, the spice mix as per customer specifications is filled. The graded gherkins are then filled manually. Gherkins are packed tightly to ensure proper weight. The spice and gherkin filled glass jars are placed in the conveyor. Brine is filled by gravity overflow. The jars are exhausted and capped. Samples are inspected for vacuum level and headspace. The jars are pasteurized in a pasteurization tunnel. Minimum gherkin core temperature of 70 degrees centigrade should be achieved. The cooled jars are then labeled. The jars are packed in carton boxes. According to customer specifications, different fancy cuts such as circular slices, dices and vertical slices are done. The ingredients and their proportion in the two categories of gherkins. The specifications for acidity and salinity should be met accordingly. Whole gherkins, party sticks and sandwich sticks are some of the popular products. Gherkins can be fermented in brine in HDPE barrels. Gherkins are loaded in barrels, brine filled and left for fermentation for over a month. Then they are drained, washed and filled in glass jars. Fresh brine is filled. Capped, labeled and packed in cartons. Packaging materials like glass bottles, tin cans, flexible pouches, and HDPE barrels are preferred for gherkins. Glass is popular as it is inert, attractive, and easy to pasteurize. Tin cans and flexible stand-up pouches are also being used. For bulk packaging, HDPE barrels and pails are used. FSSAI stipulates the following details to be mandatorily provided on the pack label. Till now, we have seen the processing of Gherkin's demonstration video under PMFME scheme. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state, union territory governments, has launched an All India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical, and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, contact above. Thank you.